Hello. Thank you all for coming this evening. My name is Amy Ruff, and I'm the director of Treble Chorus here at Olentangy Middle School. Sorry, I teach at Liberty. I just did a concert last week, so that's still in my head. But this is concert number 2 within 7 days for me. So it's been a pleasure working with your children over the past few months. We have a variety of songs that we're going to be performing for you this evening, and the first one we're starting out with, She Sings.